Hello students, how are you? Welcome to your science class. Do you know what is your first chapter of science? Your first chapter is growing plants. So let's start the class. Plants are found everywhere on earth. A variety of plants we found everywhere on earth. Plants are very much important for human beings and animals because we get food, medicine, fruits and wood for making furniture. Plants are the most useful gift of nature for human beings and animals. By taking carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen for us, plants helps every animals and human beings to survive. The plants keep on increasing in number by the process of reproduction. Reproduction of plants is important for their new species. New species means more plants. More plant means more oxygen and food. So, we should grow more plants and should not cut down trees. Remember, who plants a tree plants the green earth. Plant needs sunlight, water, air and soil to live and grow. Plants keeps on growing in their habitat suitable environment. Their new species keep increasing by the process of reproduction. Now, what is reproduction? The process of making new species as like themselves is called reproduction. It is a process by which plants produce new plants like themselves so that their species remain on the earth. Reproduction in plants can occur in a number of ways. Most of the plants reproduce through seeds. Some of them reproduce through other parts like roots, stems and leaves. Reproduction from seeds. Majority of plants grow from seeds, means most of the plant grow from seeds. Seeds grow into seedling in the presence of water, air and sunlight. A new plant grows from the seedling. Now, what is seedling? Seedling is the young plant that comes out from embryo. Now, what is embryo? Let's find out. Structure of a seed. A seed is a tiny life-supporting package which can give rise to a new plant. It means seeds are those things from which the plants are made of. It contains mainly three parts: seed coat, seed leaves or cotyledons, and embryo. Seed coat. It is the outer harder covering which protects the baby plant until seed germinates. Seed leaves or cotyledons. Inside the seed coat, you will see the seed leaves or cotyledons. They contain the stored food which is used by the growing seedling. Some seeds like gram, pea and beans have two cotyledons, and maize, wheat and rice have one cotyledon. So, those seeds which have two cotyledons are called dicotyledonous or dicot seeds. Those seeds which have one cotyledons are called monocotyledonous or monocot seeds. Embryo. The embryo is a baby plant which lies between the seed leaves. Embryo contains two parts, the radicle and the plumule. This radicle develops into root and the plumule grows out into a stem. Now, do you get idea about embryo? Germination of seeds. Germination is the process of development of seed into a seedling or into a baby plant. It depends upon various factors like water, sunlight and air. Water. Inside the wet soil, the seed absorbs water. Water softens the seed core. This helps the baby plant to break the seed open and come out. Sunlight or warmth. Warmth makes the seed active, so sunlight is needed to keep the seed active. Air. It is needed by the seeds to breathe. Seeds, if completely covered with water, do not germinate because they do not get air. So, water, sunlight and air are much needed for germination of seeds. So, children, now tell me what you have learned about. You have learned about growing plants, reproduction, structure of seeds and germination. Thank you.